Hi, it's Karin here from We'll Change You, the mobile tyre franchise. I'm just going to give a testimony for Kerry Miles from FranchiseED. So I have some palm cards here, so I hope you don't mind me just flicking through them. So after talking to Kerry, we both decided the best way for me to move forward was to do the FranchiseED 100-day program. So I met Kerry in person to do the strategy session. So the strategy session took a couple of hours. As I said, we met in person before this whole coronavirus thing happened, and in that time I got to understand what my goals needed to be over the next 100 days. Kerry helped me to develop my action plan, which included 7 major projects to help maintain and grow the franchise. The strategy session was quite intense as Kerry pulled apart all the different aspects of the business, which then helped me to break down the big picture into what became the 7 projects. The strategy session was a real eye-opener for me. It just helped me to see the business in a completely different light, having Kerry look into it and pull it all apart. And it was the beginning of an incredible 100 days. At the end of the strategy session, Kerry promised to be my advocate and my sounding board. And boy, oh boy, she promised that but delivered so much more. She was incredible. She actually went way beyond what I felt like she had signed up for. And I've come away feeling very prepared and very confident in growing the franchise. So I could not recommend Kerry enough. Seriously, she's amazing. If you want to grow, if you want to grow your franchise business, please see Kerry.